In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a business ad on Facebook Marketplace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a listing that looks professional, reaches the right buyers, and sets you up for sales. First, open Facebook and head to Marketplace. On a computer, you'll find it on the left sidebar. On mobile, tap the menu to locate Marketplace. Once you're there, click Create New Listing. This is your starting point for turning a product or service into a discoverable offer. Next, choose the right listing type. Most businesses should select Item for Sale, especially if you're selling products online. Only choose Vehicle or Property if that's truly what you're advertising. Picking the proper type helps Facebook show your post to the correct audience. Now add your key details. Start with a strong title that includes keywords and a clear benefit, like 2-in-1 hair curler and straightener, long-lasting curls. Set a price that's competitive, but still profitable. If you're open to negotiation, listing it slightly higher can give you room to work. Then pick the most accurate category to improve visibility in search and filters. Upload your visuals. Use real clear photos taken in good light and avoid cluttered backgrounds. Show the item from multiple angles and include close-ups of important features. If you can, add a short video demo. Movement naturally grabs attention and can boost reach. Write a sales-driven description that focuses on outcomes. Explain how the product solves a problem or makes life easier, such as being easy to use for beginners, delivering long-lasting results, and being safe for daily use. If you offer fast fulfillment, mention options like same-day delivery. Be sure to include your location, accepted payment methods, and delivery or pickup options so buyers know exactly how to purchase. Before posting, fine-tune your settings. You can turn on Hide from Friends if you prefer privacy. Add multiple nearby locations if that reflects your service area. Set the condition accurately, whether new or used, to build trust. When everything looks good, click Post. Your ad is now live and discoverable in Marketplace. To boost visibility, share your listing to relevant buy and sell groups, renew it daily so it surfaces near the top, reply quickly to messages, and maintain momentum by posting multiple listings each day if you have different products or variations. Stay within Facebook's rules and avoid spammy behavior. If you want to scale, open your listing and click Boost Listing. Choose your budget, audience, and duration, then launch the ad. This converts your marketplace post into a paid promotion for expanded reach and more potential buyers.